Hello, guys. Today I received a package from Chilleez package, and I wasn't expecting this package. Mini burgers, and it's really cute, guys. Look how tiny it is. Imagine for 1,300 rupees, you'll have this three flavors, and they were gonna give you 4 pieces in this each. So they have also 3 pieces of different flavors of sauces. It's really good. So how cute it look. You know, the thing is that you know why they name it Lil Gers. Little is come from the root word little. In short, Lil. So Gers, it came from burger. So that's why they called it Lil Gers. So imagine. So cute.